What's the difference between UI testing and API testing? Aren't both the same if we are checking the same functionality? So that's one of the question which generally occurs to beginners while learning the test automation. So no, both are different. We can consider like UI testing is for testing how the user interacts with the website. Like whenever a user comes to a travel website, then he or she will like book a hotel. So that whole process is working fine or not. That we will check with the UI testing. And for that, the frameworks are there like Selenium with Java, Python with Java are there. What API testing does, it is whether the data which is being entered by the user is going correctly or not to the backend, or whether the logic which is supporting that UI data is correct or not. What I mean by that is it basically uh, test the data is correct or not. Like if a user is booking a hotel and the price is showing as like 2500, so by doing API testing we will validate that this 2500 also goes to the code, and it is also code is also working like that, the logic is also working like that. What I mean by that is the prices should not differ in the payment page and in the UI page. Like if the user is seeing price of a hotel as 5000, but in the while doing the actual payment he is the payment deducted would be 10000. So that's not the point, right? Because it will be it become expensive for the user, and it is not the correct logic. Okay, so that is not a good practice. So to avoid that, to maintain the data consistency across every layer, we both are required.